Today marks 1 year since the first known positive case of COVID-19 in Colorado. KRDO News Channel 13's Natalie Haddad shares some reflection from local health officials on what the last year has been like.
The El Paso County Health Department continues to work around the clock in the area to fight this virus. But officials there tell me that for the first time in a long time, they feel hope.
It was hard to even envision all of the societal changes and the level of change.
March 5th, 2020, the day Colorado had its first known positive COVID-19 case.
In the early days of the disease, it's very likely that we were undercounting the disease. There were cases that we just weren't sensing because people just didn't get sick.
That first case came out of Summit County. From there, positive cases began to build, spreading through the state. By March 6th, an El Paso County resident had also tested positive for the virus. Dr. Stephen Goodman at the El Paso County Health Department tells me the county's COVID case numbers since look much like a roller coaster.
And with this disease, we've had 3 surges, if you will. The very first one started back when the disease was first introduced. Then the second wave of cases came to us in the summertime.
Dr. Goodman says the fall of 2020 was a game changer, one the county and the state is still recovering from.
Because as people move inside, respiratory diseases are easier to spread. It was astonishing. I mean, at that point, we had weeks where we had more than 700 cases a day.
But as the health department reflects over the last year of COVID positive cases, they say the vaccines bring a new sense of hope.
Super good news is that we have deployed multiple vaccines. So again, in the history of medicine, nothing like this has ever happened. I mean, it's the most amazing thing.
Dr. Goodman says it's time to get down to level blue and green.
So we want to keep everybody keeping the precautions going and get those vaccinations happening.
Officials shared with me their concern of people gathering for spring break as it approaches in the next week or two. They are urging everyone to be careful. Now, this weekend, they will be administering the Johnson & Johnson 1-dose vaccine and continue to administer the Moderna and Pfizer vaccine as they've been doing since December. In El Paso County, Natalie Haddad, KRDO News Channel 13.